Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear students? Today we're going to talk about landscapes and maps. What is a landscape? You can see in the pictures. This is a landscape. This is another landscape. So, what is a landscape? Landscape is the stretch of land that can be seen from a place. So it's the stretch of land. It's a big land. It's a land that can be seen. You can see it from a place. So it's a land that you can see. Okay? This is the landscape. Now please open page 10. Let's read about landscapes. Here they are asking you, what do you think of when you hear the word landscape? You might think of plants, flowers, right? So whenever you think of landscape, you think of plants, flowers, trees, right? So a landscape is the stretch, as we said, is the stretch of land that can be seen from a place. The landscape in one area might be high. Let's see how. Okay, this is a landscape, so it's high. Can you see it's on a mountain? Like this one too. Okay. And on a slope. Here, slope. What's the meaning of slope or slant? Let's see. This is a slope. So, here, this is the slope. So, some landscapes are on a slope, like a slide, right? Like this landscape here, this landscape is on a slope. Here we have another landscape on a slope. Let's continue. The landscape in another area might be low or flat. It might be covered with trees or water. So let's see some landscapes that might be low or flat, full of trees and water. This landscape has water, right? And also trees. Water, trees. This landscape is low. So here we have low or flat land. This is also flat and low and full of trees. Now here they are asking you, what is the landscape like around you? Now I want you to write about the landscape around you and send it to me on WhatsApp, okay, later. Number 1 here. Now we have to look at this painting or this landscape here. We have number 1, describe the landscape in the painting. So what do we have here? That's right, here we have landscape that is full of trees and there are mountains and hills, right? Mountains and hills. So let's write the landscape has mountains and hills. Okay, now here, number 2, circle an area on the painting that shows a slope. So where is the slope? Yeah, here it is. This is a slope. Circle it. Okay, now we're gonna continue in the next video.